के तपाईँ हामीसँग सामेल हुनुहुन्छ? Are you joining us? Are you joining us? खुसी हुनुहोस्. Cheer up. Cheer up. यो साँच्चै समय लाग्छ. It really takes time. It really takes time. दुःखको कुरा हो. It is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter of sorrow. किन ढिलो? Why are you late? Why are you late? आफ्नो कार ढिलो गर्नुहोस्. Slow down your car. Slow down your car. विवाहको लागि उपयुक्त छ. The is fit for marriage. The is fit for marriage. के तिमीले त्यो पायौ? Did you get it? Did you get it? म यसलाई विश्वास गर्न सक्दिन. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तपाईसँग कुनै मेल छैन. You have no match. You have no match. मलाई थाहा थियो. I knew it. I knew it. मलाई माफ गर्नुहोस्. म तपाईलाई सहयोग गर्न सक्दिन. I am sorry. I can't assist you. I am sorry. I can't assist you. फेरि भेटौँला. See you next time. See you next time. के तपाईँ मसँग सहमत हुनुहुन्छ? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? तपाईको इमेल ठेगाना के हो? What's your email address? What's your email address? शुभ रात्रि. Good night. Good night. उनी मेरो विरुद्धमा छन्. He is against me. He is against me. अलि कम खानु पर्छ. You should eat a little less. You should eat a little less. म आउँदै छु. I am on my way. I am on my way. उनको टाउका दुखेको छ. He has a bad headache. He has a bad headache. स्कुल जान तयार हुनुहोस्. Get ready to go to school. Get ready to go to school. के तपाईले मलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Could you help me? Could you help me? मैले भर्खरै बनाएको छु. I just made it. I just made it. मेरो घडी बिग्रिएको छ. My watch is out of order. My watch is out of order. सबैले उदाउँदो सूर्यको पूजा गर्छन्. All worship the rising sun. All worship the rising sun. यति धेरै हल्ला गर्न बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Stop making so much noise. Stop making so much noise. मसँग समय छैन. I don't have time. I don't have time. उनी बिहान सबेरै उठ्छिन्. She wakes early in the morning. She wakes early in the morning. तपाईँ कसलाई शङ्ख गर्नुहुन्छ? Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? हामी दिनहुँ पकाउँछौँ. We cook every day. We cook every day. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई फलो, लाइक, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.